Employees of the State Bank of India are said to participate in nationwide strike on May 25th and 26th, as announced by the SBI Staff Union. Ahead of the strike, union members held a candlelight protest near the SBI administrative office at Santanis Panchim, demanding attention to various employee-related issues. Banking services are likely to be affected during the two-day agitation.
डिमांड आसा आमी 25th 26th आमी स्ट्राईक कॉल दिला 2 दिसाचो. ओके, आय विल टेल यू दॅट सर्विसीस ATMs will be loaded, already loaded. There will be no shortage for the customers. There will be no inconvenience for the customers due to strike. No messengers are there in the branches. No armed guard. There is a shortage of armed guard. Because of the shortage of armed guard, we are facing a security risk. Not for us also, for the customers also, for the bank assets also.
कित्याक लागून कितें रिजन आमकां सांगतली
हो प्रोटेस्ट आसता तो ओन्ली ऑफ SBI स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, स्टेट बँकेचो. आमचो वर्कमॅन एम्प्लॉईज आमी एम्प्लॉईज आसा ते बँकेचे, जे आमचे डिमांड आसा ते डिमांड आसा आमी 25th 26th आमी स्ट्राईक कॉल दिला 2 दिसाचो. बरें, हो स्ट्राईक कॉल आमी दिवपाचो कारण आसा, वी वर बीन फोर्स्ड बाय द बँक मॅनेजमेंट टू गिव द एज्युटेशनल कॉल. Agitational call was given with effect from 2nd May 2026 to press our demand. During this agitational call, we have gone for a badge wearing, signature campaigning to the Prime Minister, signature campaigning by the union to the DFS Secretary. We have also demonstrated in front of all administrative offices across the country. The main demand is the recruitment of messengers, recruitment of armed guards. There is a shortage of messengers and armed guards in our bank due to retirement. Messengers recruitment was done way 15 years back, 15 to 20 years back, I may say that, okay. No messengers are there in the branches. No armed guard. There is a shortage of armed guard. Because of the shortage of armed guard, we are facing a security risk. Not for us also, for the customers also, for the bank assets also. Across the country, there is also an attack on the bank premises for money. Apart from this, we are also demanding to review our career path. There is an internal promotion we have. After 5 years, the review has to be made. So since 2023, the review of career path has not been done by the bank. Apart from this, also we have a pensioners issue. In the bipartite settlement, they have agreed, okay, we will give, but in the bipartite settlement, they have mentioned the cut-off date. Some retirees, they have got the benefit. Some members, they have not got. We are pressing for it to include that stagnation and increase the pension amount. That also demand we are pressing it. Appointment of workman director. This is a long pending demand we are doing with the management. Okay, you appoint our workman director. That also it is pending. Then again we have a inter-circle transfer of employees joined after 2019. In our bank, there is an inter-circle transfer agreement was signed in 2017. Though the person who comes from Bangalore to Goa, they should have an opportunity to go back to the Bangalore circle. That was stopped by the management unilaterally in 2019. Though the employee who have joined in the Goa, they cannot go to Bangalore. That hurdle bank has made to the employees. Because of this, there is a lot of family issues are there. So we are also pressing to reopen the 2000 inter-circle transfers. Then we have a parity issue in SBI. After the 12 bipartite, one section was given the amount and other section was ignored. So we are demanding that whatever it is given to the other section, it should be passed on to us also. So that also our SBI, we are pressing with SBI to give us that amount and increase our allowances. Apart from this, we have also to resolve HRMS issues. We have an internal system. There is a technical glitch. That technical glitch was not resolved. Because of technical glitch, we cannot apply allowances. So we are also pressing to this, and this demand is for a very longer time. That is also pending with the management. So if it is done, then okay, fine, then we will call off the strike. Otherwise, we will go on 24th and 25th strike, all India strike. On Sunday banking, those are working on the Sunday banking, they will join on 27th strike also. So 2 days strike.
Strike
this is
was, sir.
opted, only SBI Bank, no?
SBI Bank, only the workmen's employees. Officers will be joining the bank on that day. Only the workmen employees will be joining the strike.
What date you said you will be going for
25th, 26th.
Strike was Salam, sir.
Huh?
Was Salam strike.
Strike, no, we will not join the branches or bank.
You will be not joining.
No. All workmen across the India will not join the bank on that day.
What about services will be?
Service is okay. I will tell you that services, ATMs will be loaded, already loaded. There will be no shortage for the customers. There will be no inconvenience for the customers due to strike. We have already planned it, already loaded with the maximum amount in the ATMs.
Sir, as you said, recruitment shortage is there. So how many staff you require?
It depends. If you say the messengeral work, in Goa we have 100 branches. So at least in one branches we have at least one messenger should be there, because to stitch the voucher, to touch the bank document, permanent staff should be there. So outsourcing, we are objecting it. What bank has done, it has messenger work was outsourced and permanent job was scrapped. Apart from this, the armed guard also, there is no security in all the branches. We have a low, medium and high risk branches. So there are also in medium risk branches, we don't have that armed guard. And armed guard was outsourced also.
Total how many employees overall in Goa?
In Goa, we have a 600 employees. 450. 450. Some are retired. So we are pressing for the demand of messenger, armed guard, career path review, retirees' rightful dues, so that their pension will be increased.
Sir, most of the things happen